But you're giving me
Hey guys, it's Jada. Welcome back to my channel. So today is a brand new video. As you can see, my hair is looking a mess and you can already see the braiding hair in the back, so y'all basically know what this video is going to be about. Today I'm going to be braiding my hair, a little tutorial on how to do medium knotless braids. So I'm not sure if I have one of these on my channel yet. I feel like I do, but like I'm not sure. But before we get into the video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias, and let's just get into the video. I basically already did like 3 in the back. Yeah, I haven't done braids in like so long, so I'm excited because like I need a break. Like I've been doing wigs back to back. I don't know if you guys like notice my hairline, but it's a little lighter than like the rest of my face. Don't worry, I still have my edges. It looks like I don't have my edges, but I do. I bought 3 packs of braiding hair. This should be enough, hopefully, because I'm not doing them too small or too big. They're like in the middle medium, and it shouldn't take me that long either. And then also I just got like edge control jam, whatever. So this is what it looks like so far. Yeah, and I'm just gonna get to parting and stuff like that. So it's 5:17 right now. I'm planning on finishing these by like maybe 12 a.m. hopefully. If I don't take breaks, I should be done by like maybe 12. But yeah, so we're just gonna get into this video. Oh yeah, y'all, real quick before I do start parting, my hair is like 15 different colors. Like, hair was red before I dyed my hair black again, and I guess like the black is starting to wash out, so you can clearly tell like where the red is kind of still. But I might end up dyeing my hair again. And yeah, so I'm just gonna continue to make the parts, and I'll get back to you guys when I'm about to like braid the other section. So I end up changing my hairstyle kind of. I'm still incorporating like knotless braids, but I'm gonna just do like a little style with it. I don't know if you guys know what Fulani braids are, but I haven't done Fulani braids in like how long. I just decided to just do it with this style. So basically I have 2 rows done in the back already. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. This is kind of what I'm going for a little bit. I'm probably just gonna end up braiding them all back because I don't know if I can do like the little curves and stuff. Yeah, so I think I'm just gonna pause doing the braids on the back really quick, and I'm just gonna focus on the top part of it first. So I'll probably get back to you guys when I'm like maybe halfway done with this. I don't know, we'll see. Hey guys, so it's a little later and I'm about to finish like the very top of my head. I actually really like how these cornrows came out. Like I did not expect them to come out like so good. The middle of my head still isn't done, but once I finish these last 2 cornrows, I'm gonna start on the ones in the back, and then I should be done. But look at the cornrows, y'all. Like this side is not as good as this side, but they still look like decent enough to wear. So but these come out really cute. I actually really like them, and like after I do my edges and stuff, like it's gonna look really cute. So yeah, so it's 8 o'clock. I'm shooting to finish around like maybe 10:30 ish, and then yeah, so hopefully I meet that time frame. I'm not really doing anything else, but like I wanted to do my nails tonight also. It's not gonna be in this video, but you know, I just wanted to finish my hair like a little earlier. I mean, I finished a good amount in the shorter time that I've been braiding my hair. So anyways, I just wanted to update you guys, so I will continue braiding my hair and check in with you guys later. So I just finished braiding my hair and I love it. It looks so cute. I'm about to do my edges and stuff like that. I'm also gonna do my lashes when after I shower. My hair looks cute. So anyways, what I'm using to do my edges is the Got To Be gel in the black bottle. So my forehead is kind of big, so I'm just trying to make sure like my edges are like not too dramatic but big enough to kind of just blend in my forehead.
Like on my worst day.
I don't really know what to do with the middle edge, so I'm just gonna do that. But I'm gonna get back to you guys after I do my lashes and stuff like that. So peace. Hey guys, so my hair is officially done. I dipped it and everything, and this is what it's looking like. It's really long, so I'm trying to show you guys like how long it looks. But you guys, my hair looks so good. It came out so good. I did not expect it to come out this good. So yeah, so just gonna try to give y'all a little 360 and a close-up. My camera's about to die, so I'm gonna make this quick. This is what it's looking like. I'm pretty sure the parts in the back are not as clean as I want them to be because I can't really see back there, but I tried my best. But I'm gonna try to show you guys. I hope it's like decent back there at least. But my hair came out super good. Right, without further ado, y'all, this is the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this tutorial helped you guys, but thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my social medias to stay updated with new incoming videos, and stay connected with me. And without further ado, you guys have a good night. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.